Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And today we have a practical review in 2024 of the Blue Yeti microphone. And I thought, what better way to do that than to actually film an entire video with it? So, in this video, I'm just going to outline my thoughts about using this mic. In all transparency, I haven't been using this microphone in the past few years. Mostly because I've upgraded since then, but I got this thing probably back in like 2019 ish. And they've sold multiple like increments or multiple versions of this microphone throughout the years. This is obviously like an older version, and they've improved them gradually throughout time. So I'm just using this in like handheld mode, not doing anything special. I used to have this on a tripod actually, which is or a boom arm on my desk, but then my desk got kind of clunky, so I was like, okay, let's clean up the desk a little bit. Let's take that out. But essentially, guys, I'm making this video because I want to prove to the world that you don't need a ton of money to actually film YouTube videos. Obviously, I'm filming this on a nice webcam, but essentially, this microphone back in the day was around $99. And if you were to go buy this used or something, you could probably get this between like 50 and $100. That's pretty wide range, but I'm sure you can buy it third party used for around that price. Um, and honestly, back in the day when I was using this microphone, the audio is super clear, and I even did some test samples before I started recording this video. It's a condenser microphone, so essentially, it's going to look at your sound frequency and just make sure you don't have any like massive peaks or troughs or anything like that. The sound is super. It's it's somewhat flat. It's somewhat flat, but it's an extremely like consistent sounding microphone if that makes sense. Um like functionality wise, like what it comes with, you do actually have a you can monitor it. There is a headphone jack on the bottom right there, so you can plug your headphones in so you can actually like hear your voice while you're recording. We do have a mute switch, so that lets you can actually mute the microphone using hardware rather than software, which is really cool. Um you can also adjust the volume of the audio if you're listening to it in your headset, which is cool. There's a knob on the front. And then on the back, it's going to be a little tough to see just because the glare of my lights. We have different sound profiles settings right here. We have like one where like what I'm doing right now. It covers around like 270 degrees. It's called cardioid pattern, if that makes sense. So it's like mostly like this area. It'll pick up vocals. You can also have a conversation. You can do conversation mode where it'll pick up frequencies this way and also this way. So it's like if you're doing an interview, that'd be super useful. You can do 360 as well, and then I think you can also do like side to side if that makes sense. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I could be wrong, but yeah, I also have a pop filter on it just to remove any water vapor coming out of my mouth, hitting the mic, like those like tss, like noises and the puh noises that can sometimes like cause spikes in your audio, which sounds terrible, and then you have to go back and edit it out. But overall, like guys, the Blue Yeti microphone in 2024, I think is a solid option, and I think this video is going to display that or portray that very well just from the audio samples I've done so far. I love this mic. I don't use it anymore because I've upgraded, but if I were to not have other microphones and this is all I had, this would get the job done uh, easily. It's also good for a podcast microphone if you want to use it for that. I know a lot of actually YouTubers use this for ASMR. So if you're an ASMR YouTube channel, dive into this thing. Definitely go pick it up because it's good for that as well, especially with the different ways it can pick up audio, like by binaural. Is that the word? I'm not sure. Um, so it has really good, pickup patterns and stuff like that. It's built well. It's pretty robust as well. There's definitely metal throughout this whole thing. Obviously, it comes with a stand, like a base stand that you can put it on. I don't have that with me right now. I took it off because I mounted it to my boom arm. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Guys, I'm going to link this down in the description. Definitely, if you're looking to start a YouTube channel or improve your YouTube channel and increase the audio quality, because audio is pretty much, I'd put it on par with like, it's the same. You should give audio the same weight as you do video in videos. That's a mouthful. Um, both matter. Like, right? You can't have really good video and then your audio sounds terrible. Like, no one's gonna watch your video. So this is definitely a great, piece of tech to add to your like repertoire or your whole like tech collection. If you're a filmer, like I said, I have other stuff, so I technically don't use it, but use this video as a sense of like, an audio sample test for you guys to judge what you think the audio quality is. Personally, I think it sounds great. I have no complaints with it. So, guys, if you enjoyed this sort of mini microphone test from the Blue Yeti microphone, Blue's a great company. They sell a variety of different products. Definitely recommend them. So, yeah, I'll link this down in the description below if you guys want to go pick it up. Not a sponsored video, anything like that. Just my own personal thoughts of using this microphone throughout the years. It's been great. Great for a PC setup. Obviously, it comes with USB-A, so you do need a USB port to plug this in. Usually, a computer is just fine. I don't know. You need to get an adapter if you want to plug this into your phone. But yeah, either laptop or PC, this thing works great. Get a stand for it, and you're kind of off and running. And honestly, this could last you like 10 plus years of good audio, in my opinion. I don't think audio's increased that drastically in the last decade, but or maybe it has. But this thing can last you a long time. It's built really well. It sounds great. Just get a pop filter to remove some of those like hissing noises or those like, high pitch frequencies just from speaking. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.